Can you say mama, 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 don't move. Sit down, sit down. Do not move, Asa. Up, up. You move, Asa, you move. You're gonna fall if you keep on moving. Asa, sit properly. Sit properly. Ay! Moving. Sit down properly, sit down. Don't touch your toes. Why you like your toes? You like your toes? That's not the food, okay? Sit properly. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Yeah. Why? Up. Ah. A baby, a baby, a baby, a baby. Love you, Asian.